Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power door locks, tachometer, front reading lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.